Aikku Jokinen, Validator, Manifold, Izzy Kane, Black Widow. More Black Widow 14 Black Widow fan theories that actually make a lot of sense. 11 of 15 MCU characters with drastically different comic backstories. 47 of 214 the best female video game characters. Cannonball. More Cannonball. 142 of 187 the top Marvel Comics superheroes. 256 of 297 the best comic book superheroes of all time. 45 of 99 the best teenage superheroes. Sunspot. More Sunspot. 15 of 16 Marvel mutants whose superpowers have changed drastically since you were a kid. 32 of 64 the best X-Men characters of all time. 22 of 25 the most redundant X-Men characters. Rank. Daredevil. Or Daredevil. 7 of 16 the most powerful non-Avengers in the MCU. 2 of 25 which street-level superhero would win in an all-out bare-knuckle street fight. 1 of 16 Marvel TV characters that would fit perfectly into the MCU future plans. Thing. More Thing. 8 of 13 Marvel superhero deaths you knew were never going to stay permanent. 12 of 16 classic comics characters that live-action movies can never do justice to. 10 of 12 the most useless superpowers in comics. Jessica Jones. Jessica Jones. Spider-Woman. Spider-Woman. Mockingbird. Mockingbird. Bucky Barnes. Bucky Barnes. Iron Fist. Iron Fist. Hawkeye. Hawkeye. Doctor Strange. Veranke. Echo. Sentry. Sentry. Wolverine. Wolverine. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Luke Cage. Luke Cage. Captain America. Captain America. Iron Man. Iron Man. Captain Marvel. Or Captain Marvel. Carol Danvers fan theories about Captain Marvel that actually make a lot of sense. 15 flirting. Amazing Captain Marvel details you may have missed. 121. 413 the greatest female characters in film history.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye!